Yo. What is up, guys? Guys, give me another reaction. Move. Today we are with a bad artist. Yeah, man. J Blunt. Yes, man. Bad bumper clat, as I'm telling already, you know. J Blunt with in my phone. Yes, it's a visualizer. If you don't rate that one, yeah, I go put him TikTok down below. It I go crazy on TikTok still. Definitely I go crazy on TikTok. I see it over there. So, if you don't rate that one, yeah, go up on him TikTok, go tell him, yeah? Go jump in the one and see what I want. J Blunt, in on my phone, let's go. Icebox Production. Don't worry about the TikTok angle. I'm going to put it down in the comment section for you. Easy. J Blunt, ready? Blood clot. In on my phone.
Yo, sometimes I do some things I not even know why me would because me not left my one for most of them girls when me mess with.
More cost more for them.
I don't know why I do the things I do. I don't know why I do the things I do.
Tell me now.
If me woman never seen on me phone, she woulda bust me head with a stone. Me know say me couldn't go back home. She woulda raise hell, may God come down.
That's enough for we. Enough for we can relate. Enough for we can blood clot relate to that. And that me I tell you. If we let me whisper. If we woman never see you not someone with phone. All the lock change for the blood clot.
Yo,
all the lock change.
Me do some things me not even know why me would because me not left my one for most of them girls when me mess with. I don't know why I do the things I do. I don't know why I do the things I do.
We don't know that.
If me woman never seen on me phone,
yeah,
she woulda bust me head with a stone.
Yeah,
me know say me couldn't go back home.
Yeah,
she woulda raise hell, may God come down. If me woman never seen on me phone, she woulda bust me head with a stone. Me know say me couldn't go back home. She woulda raise hell, may God come down. Me do some things me not proud of. Me make me woman scream loud, but her friend inna me phone a scream louder. With her
No. We do some things that we not proud of. We make a woman scream loud, but the friend scream louder.
Me do some
and
things
we video record it. Yes, we video record it. Just start blows. Oh no. Yeah, oh no. Oh no. Me no know. Just can't help myself. Yeah, me have nature. Alright.
If me woman never seen on me phone,
alright,
she woulda bust me head with a stone.
Leak
me
from the
know say
side.
me couldn't go back home. She woulda raise hell, may God come down. If me woman never seen on me phone,
problem,
she woulda bust me head with a stone. Me know say me couldn't go back home. She woulda raise hell, may God come down.
Alright.
Me do some things me not proud of. Me make me woman scream loud, but her friend inna me phone a scream louder. With her foot on me shoulder, all spread out inna me bed like a fowler.
Foot pan shoulder. You know something gone up in a tumok? Way up in a tumok. Chest plate I get touch. Eh? And then me woman, our friend. Yeah.
Scream louder, with her foot on me shoulder, all spread out inna me bed like a fowler. I tell me say she want baby fi push on in a stroller. Yeah, the brown in Nicola.
Nicola. You know she's a homewrecker, eh? Nicola, you know she's not a good friend. But guess what? We don't know why we do it. As man, we don't know why we do it. A blood clot. No. We don't know.
I tell me say she want baby fi push on in a stroller. Yeah, the brown in Nicola. She give me head, make me bust off like a cream soda. We video it with the iPhone, yeah.
Blood clot. I think I'm not your 3310. Eh? iPhone 17, maybe 16. You think you think a razor we use with that? 4K, Nicola, 4 blood clot, yeah. In our phone.
I tell me say she want baby fi push on in a stroller. Yeah, the brown in Nicola. She give me head, make me bust off like a cream soda. We video it with the iPhone, yeah. I never seen on me phone.
And guess what? Even though we video it, we not gonna talk. Even though we video it, the real G them know say yo, never talk that, bro. You keep that to yourself, me G.
Shoulda bust me head with a stone.
That's some boy.
Me know say me couldn't go back home. Shoulda raise hell, may God come down. If me woman never seen on me phone, shoulda bust me head with a stone. Me know say me couldn't go.
Yo, that one a bad dog. I go put it I go put the link to the one down in the comment section. Plus, I go put him TikTok down in the comment section. Go check him out.
Shoulda raise hell, may God come down.
Talk to them again.
She don't know about her cousin. Me have her in my phone, pa me cocky head a wine and a bubble fuck.
Here's a devil riding us. Here's a devil in disguise. Here's a wolf in sheep clothing. Here's a dirty old crosses. Here's a shit house. Here's a crow bait. Here's a alright, you know what I mean. What on a J-Blunt me attack a man in general, yeah.
Woman never seen on me phone.
Yeah? I'm not the girl
Shoulda
that's
bust
about
me
it.
head with a stone. Me know say me couldn't go back home. Shoulda raise hell, may God come down. She don't know about her cousin. Me have her in my phone, pa me cocky head a wine and a bubble. Fuck her and pop off and go back for a double. Fuck her till she tired, then me and her cuddle.
Blood clot, all cuddling, lovey-dovey thing. With the cousin, and the cousin knows say, yo. The cousin knows say me and her cousin are talking up, but guess what? The cousin just want hood. The cousin want hood. Feel me hood. Yeah? But guess what? I have everything on my phone as evidence. That not safe neither.
People say that me a pussy hole, but me can't resist the girl them. As a real man do, I know so you.
People say me a pussy hole, but me can't resist the girl. But me can't resist the girl them pussy hole. Get it?
And go back for a double. Fuck her till she tired, then me and her cuddle. People say that me a pussy hole, but me can't resist the girl them. As a real man do, I know so you feel roll, but me love the girl them. Boom boom to me soul. Woman never seen on me phone. Shoulda bust me head with a stone. Me know say me couldn't go back home. Shoulda raise hell, may God come down. If me woman never seen on me phone. Shoulda bust me head with a stone. Me know say me couldn't go back home. Shoulda raise hell, may God come down. I don't know why I do the things I do. I don't know why I do the things I do. On me phone, shoulda bust me head with a stone. Me know say me couldn't go back home. Shoulda raise hell, may God come down. If me woman never seen on me phone, shoulda bust me head with a stone. Me know say me couldn't go back home. Shoulda raise hell, may God come down.
Bumbo Clad, J-Blunt, big up yourself, me God. Yeah, man, big up yourself in this, me G. I want to hear that. I choose to hear the man attack. Fox, anything I forward after this?
Yo, well, Platinum, you did it again, man.
Platinum Vision, big up yourself. Yo, production team, big up yourself. Whole production team, big up yourself, big up yourself. Yo, this bad. Like me say, I Fox the man attack. This remind me a bit like telephone thing, mash up my life. You remember that Keep Rich there? Yes, that this remind me of. I swear. I don't know why. It's a very great song. I love it. I love it. And we get a visuals. I mean, we can't ask more than that, man. I Fox the man attack. So if you don't rate that one, go over the man TikTok. I go pin it down in the comment section. You see me? Just go over there, go tell him what you think about it. Also, like me tell you, me hear it on TikTok. I go on with one bag of thing. Man, I make skit over the about it. Yeah, me see it. Yeah. So let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section and go over there, go tell him as well. You see me? J-Blunt, pick up yourself, me G. I out.